For Lenovo IdeaPad 115 IRU7 owners looking to boost performance, the ATEC 32GB DDR4 RAM module could be a game changer. This SOM module is specifically designed for the IdeaPad 115 IRU7 machine type 33B4, ensuring compatibility and a hassle-free upgrade experience. The ATEC module boasts a capacity of 32 GB, operating at a speed of 3,200 MHz, PC4-25600. This significant memory upgrade can drastically improve system responsiveness, especially when multitasking, running memory-intensive applications, or handling large files. The module is a 2RX8 dual rank X8 configuration, adhering to JEDEC DDR4 standards and operating at a voltage of 1.2V. It's also non-ECC unbuffered memory. Installation is designed to be straightforward, allowing users to perform the upgrade themselves without requiring specialized technical skills. ATEC recommends consulting the system's manual for specific seating and channel guidelines to ensure proper installation. ATEC subjects its memory modules to rigorous quality control testing. This commitment to quality aims to deliver dependable and reliable performance, minimizing the risk of errors or instability. The module is backed by ATEC's limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind and demonstrating the manufacturer's confidence in its product. Furthermore, ATEC offers support from its knowledgeable tech team, ready to assist with any questions or issues that may arise before or after the purchase. If the Lenovo IdeaPad 115 IRU7 is feeling sluggish, this ATEC 32GB RAM upgrade could be a worthwhile investment. The increased memory capacity and speed can lead to noticeable improvements in overall system performance, making it a compelling option for users seeking to enhance their computing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.